Calling all coffee lovers, today we're going to create a kitchen coffee bar. Join me! Let's face it, Starbucks is yummy but expensive as hell. Creating a coffee bar in your kitchen is going to save you not only time, but money. Every time I go to Starbucks, the line for drive-thru is wrapped all the way around the building into the parking lot. Let's skip that line and make our coffee at home. First, decide on a spot in your kitchen where your coffee bar will live. Utilizing counter space and a cabinet is probably best. That way you can place your large items on your counter and your smaller items away in the cabinet. If you don't have any cabinet space open, just use a small tote or a basket on the side of your coffee maker to hold the smaller items. Grab yourself a coffee maker, a cappuccino machine, an iced tea maker, whatever your preference is, and this is going to be the focal point of your coffee bar. So clean it up if you've had it a few years, wipe it off. This is going to be the thing that everyone sees first. Next, place all of your coffee mugs in a cabinet or somewhere near your coffee maker, your coffee station. This way, it's all within easy reach. And it makes it easier for your favorite cup of joe every morning. Now, store your tea bags, extra coffee, K-cups in a decorative place on your counter or in a cabinet. There are so many different things that you can buy these days to display your coffee if you want. Personally, I have my coffee underneath my coffee machine, and then I have all of my extras right here in my cabinet. If you're the type of person that uses spoons or stirrers for your coffee, put them in a cute little cup next to your coffee maker or put them up in the cabinet, somewhere where it's displayed nice and neat or up and out of the way. If you love coffee just as much as I do, or maybe just DIY in your life, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so that way you never miss one of my videos. And I will see you next time. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family. And please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!